this weekend I was researching some stocks and I came across this amazing order book. The order book is from the company Electra Green Tech. Electra Green Tech basically is an OEM for electric buses. It manufactures electric buses. अभी हम देखें तो there is a shift from fuel engines to EV batteries in the public transport as well. तो ये काफ़ी गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज को भी केटर करती है एंड उसके ऊपर ये रेवेन्यू कमाती है इसके मेंटेनेंस और ये सब पे और थोड़ा इधर उधर का और भी इनका रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम्स है बट मेनली दे आर डूइंग दिस. अगर हम इसके सेल्स के बारे में बात करें तो सेल्स हैज ग्रोन 60% for 3 years, and for that it is also fetching a high PE of 77. But actually, if we see, so it is trading at its lower bounds. Where in Feb 2023, it was trading at a PE of 61, 62, which was at its lowest. अभी ये गया 64, 65 तक, and उसके बाद right now it is at 77. Coming to the order book, जब मैंने इसका ट्रांसक्रिप्ट ऑफ फेब 2025 पढ़ा तो दे आर सेइंग दैट दे आर उनके पास ऑर्डर है 10,224 बसेस का. ठीक है, 10,224 buses and one bus at an average cost 1.5 CR. That is 15,336 CR का ऑर्डर. अगर हम इसका TTM सेल्स देखें तो that is 1642. Obviously they are going to show some growth in this March quarter, but let's just assume कि अभी 1700 के राउंड फिगर लेते हैं तो it is showing its order book is 9 times of its TTM sales, which is really good sales visibility. And at the same time, as we saw that it is trading at a lower bound of its PE range. अब इतनी बड़ी ऑर्डर बुक देख के एक चीज़ ये दिमाग में आती है कि अगर इतना सारा ऑर्डर है कंपनी के पास तो इतना कम सेल क्यों किया इन लोगों ने अभी. तो ये चीज़ मेरे भी दिमाग में आई. सो आई was digging further and the management is saying that right now they can produce 200 buses per month. अभी जो उन लोगों ने थोड़ा कैपेसिटी बीच में एक्सपेंड किया उसमें वो 200 बस बना सकते हैं per month, and that is going to increase to 400 buses to cater this order in the next 4 to 6 months. अब this is going to be funded with debt of 500 crores. 750 crores का टोटल इन लोगों ने रेज करने का सोचा है. 500 crores out of with debt and 250 crores out of internal accruals. अगर इनका रिजर्व्स देखें वो भी it is rising at a steady pace, and that is also of 949 crores. Now the statements given by promoters are oftentimes very forward looking, so one should just not trust what anyone is saying and also look at the performance. That, and we can obviously look at the performance in this March quarter, and that can, when we can gauge a better idea of are they walking the talk or not. And obviously this is not a buy or sell recommendation.